Welcome back to Canister the Wanderer. Here I am right now Plaza España. After 2 years of renovation, here they are. It's super nice. Super nice. The Hotel Real is in the other side. I've been there. So for those of you that wanted to visit this place, it is so beautiful. So this is the fountain. It's not working today. I don't know why. Do they have the working hour for that? That is awesome. Look at that. They have this autumn color, but it's too late already. So I just come out from the office and I decided to drop by here. And here at the other side, they have coffee shop, the Futuro Cafe. As you can see. This is so nice here. It took more than 2 years for them to renovate this place, and today they open it to the public, as you can see. And the Hotel Rio is in there, in the other side. You see the plaza. And another hotel in the other side, the Sleepy Plaza Hotel. And this is the fountain. They have different beauties though in the morning or daytime. But because it's already nighttime, so it's kind of dark, but there's a lot of people, as you can see. They put up also one of the real Christmas tree there in that corner, as you can see. Tomorrow is the grand opening of the Christmas lights, and I will be waiting here. It will be very beautiful. So they have the Belen in there. Tomorrow all the lights will be on. The Belen is there, but you know it's not working yet because tomorrow the grand opening of the Christmas lights all over Spain. So we will be waiting here. Tomorrow is Friday and that's Black Friday as well. So everybody will be out. Nakita nyo? Sobrang daming tao. So follow me guys because I'm gonna take you to the other side of this park. It's so nice actually. I will show you because in the other side they have a lot of kids park. So come and see. Okay, so this is the other side of the fountain. I'm gonna go around and they have a really nice beauty during the day since it's nighttime. They have another beauty as well at night. So let's go to the other side of the park. Well, everybody is walking. Here. Ito na yung sa kabila, guys. Ayun, oh, dinadaanan talaga siya just to go there. Super lamig. It's 1 degrees. 1 degree. I mean, they were so cute. Look, the Black Friday thing. So now, in the other side, kita niya. Ayan. Ang ganda sana to pag araw, guys. Kasi makikita niyo yung kulay ng trees. But then, it's night. It's dark. So, this side, makikita niyo puro park para sa kids. Daming nag-walk. Ayan, as you can see, ito na yung bagong ang daming park for the kids to enjoy and play. Ito ang daming tao. I cannot imagine tomorrow pag grand opening ng Christmas lights all over Madrid or all over Spain. So sigurado sobrang ganda. Yan yung sa kabilang area. You see? Ayun yung sa kabila. Ibang-iba talaga siya, guys, pag gabi. Mas maganda talaga sa araw. Although maganda rin sa gabi, pero ang ganda talaga siya sa araw. So, yung ways dito papunta na to ng Almudena Cathedral at saka Cathedral and Palacio Real or Royal Palace. So as you can see on the other side, yung may ilaw doon, that's the cathedral kung saan one of the tourist attraction here in Spain as well. So yan, madaming tao dito, guys, dahil they just opened this park after renovating for 2 years. Doon tayo kanina. Yan yung mga kakahuyan. Sa loob niyan yung fountain. At doon yung mga park. As you can see. At diba? Ang ganda. So lahat ng may mga bata nandito nag-enjoy. Kasi afternoon, everybody is having an afternoon walk. So ayan. So that's it. I think that's it. Kasi ang lamig, naninigas yung kamay ko sa paghawak ng aking phone. You know, we don't have those fancy gadgets for now. So, for now, ito lang muna. And this plane. I think nakuha yan ng mga tao for now. Kasi sobrang daming tao. Ang ganda. Diba? So, I think that's it for today, guys. And I hope you enjoy watching. I hope to see you tomorrow. I'll come back tomorrow and grab a video as well during the day for you guys to see. Ayan. So thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click the notification bell. So that will notify kayo sa mga upcoming videos na aking i-share. And of course, if you're not connected, please do connect. And thank you once again. Bye for now.